Hello and welcome to new episode of Network Policies. Today I am going to explain the 5 default like network policy patterns, including deny all, allow all, and some real world secure config. So let's go. First is no policy applied. Means in absence of any network policies, every pod can communicate to each other and to the internet. Second, deny all. Deny all means here I will write the YAML file for this deny all policies. Here API version. Let's say this no policies is applied. Okay. Now I commonly write API version networking.ka-test.io slash find network policy. When in imperative command you use, you can write netpol metadata. It's Facebook data, but we can metadata name. Okay. Here I say policy is deny all. So what could be the specification? Spec pod selector. Pod selector I can say flower bracket. Then every pod. Policy type I can simply write ingress and egress. This means deny all because I have not written any rules below that, so it's blocking everything. Pod cannot send and receive any traffic. Now allow all. So name allow all. Everything is same. You have seen this pattern in when you are able to write in papers exams. Now that PPP means policy. You can see pod selector policy type. Now this ingress if you write flower bracket, everything is allowed. Egress rule, everything is allowed. It is a allow all policy, means you allowed all traffic explicitly. And deny ingress, allow egress, means you can say this line is same, name I can change it, deny ingress, allow no comma is there, allow egress. So here both are denied because both entry is there with no rules. Here both are allowed because both entry is there with both allowed rules. Now here what should we write? Till policy type is same. This sorry here is SP here as policy type. You have to write policy type ingress means, and you have not done here so flower bracket ingress rule is not defined, so ingress traffic is denied. And for means pod cannot go out but cannot be accessed directly, means pod can go out. Ingress is not allowed, so pod can go out but cannot be accessed directly. Useful for front-end apps that fetch data but shouldn't be reachable from another pod. And if same is to be made for deny ingress, allow ingress, means deny ingress, allow ingress. In this case, this policy type is egress. So if this is the pod, this is not allowed, this is not allowed. This is the pod, this is allowed, this is allowed. And this is the pod, ingress not allowed but allowed. Here oppose allowed but not. So means this policy is for the database. Pod can call but cannot reach the internet or other. So thank you for demonstration. When we start, we'll finish from start to end. By any reason something you find that is a little bit need correction, please report us. We'll take down the video and we'll correct, and we'll upload later, because your all comments means a lot to us. Actually my aim is like if you can spark one click of real curiosity, a student will start flying on their own. It's never about pouring too much information. It's like it's about creating one emotional aha, means like moment, impelling moment where they feel powerful. Means you don't need to teach everything, because if you are able to develop interest in those subjects, student will grasp by their own. Just so I just want to think that Kubernetes is very interesting. Thank you so much and stay tuned.